Hey, let me show you hidden features of JBL Flip 7. So first of all, we are going to start from the audio quality and the playback. So in this speaker, we can actually find lossless audio through the wired connection. So how it actually works. First of all, you will have to connect cable into the charging port of your Flip 7. And right now, you will have to grab your phone or PC and click and hold the play button when the speaker is turned on. And while holding this button, you will have to plug the cable into the port and wait for that sound. Now the speaker actually is connected to our device. Now as you can see, this Bluetooth button disappear. I'm not connected with the speaker by Bluetooth, but the sound gonna comes from the speaker. So take a look. Another one, it will be available in the settings of your phone when you are connected with this speaker by Bluetooth. You can just click on the settings icon and here you are able to turn on AAC codec that will improve the quality of the sound. Another one, this speaker is actually, in this speaker you can find the Auracast, so it allows you to connect this speaker with other speakers by using this feature, but even with the different models. So here I've got the JBL Charge 6. It's bigger, more powerful device than the Flip 7, but it allows you to actually connect both devices and make stereo group party by using those Auracast buttons. Another one, you can actually remove this hook by clicking on this button. You can just take it off and replace with some other things. So up to your preferences. You can also change songs. So to turn next song, you have to click 2 times on the play button. Do this quickly. There we go. And when you click 3 times, 1, 2, 3, you are gonna turn previous song. And the last thing that we can find right here by going into the JBL portable application, by going into the product information, we can actually get the software updates. So as default, it's actually not available. We can just click here and nothing gonna happen. But if you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and the new software will be released, you can enter here and then you can see the new information and then you will be able to tap here and get the new software update.